This is the Donner Triple Looper. Came packaged very nicely in this box, in this bag with styrofoam on it to protect it. Came with a couple of stickers and some instructions. You can see the size of it here compared to an MXR Distortion and a Boss tuner. So it's a small, compact pedal. It's got a rubber on the bottom to keep it from sliding around, and that's great. It runs on a 9-volt power supply that you are going to have to provide. On the machine, it says you can use a 9-volt 300 milliamp, and in the instructions, it says the same things, but on the site, it says that you must use a 9-volt 500 milliamp plug. So I'm using a Boss adapter right here, which is exactly that, 9 volts, 500 milliamps, and it works fantastic. This thing is really simple to use. You plug your guitar in here, this side goes out to the amp. You've got 3 different banks on here. Each bank is capable of holding 30 minutes of loops of music. You've got a level out right here. When you want to record something, you just press the button once, it starts to record. When you press the button a second time, it stops the recording and starts playing it back. It has an infinite amount of dubs on it. You can dub as many tracks as you want, up to 30 minutes worth of music. So let's say we want to dub it, you press the button, it starts dubbing the track, you press it again, now it's playing back your original track and your dub. Let's say you don't like that dub, you want to erase it. So you press and hold this for a second, undo pops up and it takes the dub away. Let's say you change your mind and you want it back. You press and hold it for a second, redo pops up and it puts the dub back on. When you're done and you want to stop it all, double click, it stops. And if you want to clear this slot out, this memory bank out, you just press and hold the button, it clears it, and it's as simple as that. It's a nice simplistic, compact pedal that's easy to use. It's got a lot of memory space on it and fits on the pedal board great. Donner Triple Looper.